Do you often feel bloated, fatigued, or just not quite right after eating? What if I told you your gut could be the root of it all, and that it's not just about digestion? From your mood to your immunity, your gut runs the show. And the best part? You can heal it, naturally, starting today. Let's start at the core, your digestive system. It's responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and getting rid of waste. This complex system includes your mouth, stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas, and more, all working in harmony to keep your body nourished and energized. But this system doesn't work alone. It relies on trillions of tiny helpers, your gut microbes. Your gut microbiome is home to over 100 trillion microorganisms, mostly bacteria and fungi, living in your large intestine. These microbes are not just passengers. They help you digest food, absorb nutrients, produce vitamins like B12 and K2, and even regulate your immune system. And here's the amazing part, your gut and your brain talk to each other through something called the gut-brain axis. This means your gut can influence your mood, stress levels, and even mental clarity. A healthy gut equals a happier, more energized you. So how do you know if your gut needs help? Here are some common signs of an imbalanced microbiome, also called dysbiosis: frequent bloating or gas, constipation or diarrhea, food intolerances, skin problems like acne or eczema, fatigue, brain fog, or trouble sleeping, sugar cravings, weak immunity. If these sound familiar, it's time to restore balance. Let's dive into the natural ways to heal and strengthen your gut, starting with the superheroes of digestive health, probiotics. Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria that add to the good microbes in your gut. They help with digestion, nutrient absorption, immune strength, and even mood balance. But you need to get them through food. Your body doesn't make them on its own. Here are the top probiotic-rich foods to include in your daily routine. Fermented pickles. Traditional fermented pickles are made by soaking cucumbers in saltwater brine, not vinegar. This natural fermentation creates lactobacillus bacteria, which are amazing for your gut. Always choose pickles labeled fermented or with live cultures, or better yet, make your own at home. They also add a crunchy, tangy burst of flavor to your meals. Yogurt is a classic probiotic food made by fermenting milk with healthy bacteria like lactobacillus and streptococcus. It improves digestion and reduces inflammation. Choose unsweetened, plain yogurt with live and active cultures on the label. Yogurt's creamy texture also makes it an easy addition to smoothies or as a base for parfaits. Dokla. This soft, fluffy Indian snack is made from fermented rice and chickpea flour. The fermentation enhances its probiotic value, making dokla delicious and gut-friendly, especially when prepared fresh at home. Pair it with chutneys for a flavorful and gut-boosting treat. Kanji is a fermented North Indian drink made with black carrots, mustard seeds, and water. It's rich in lactic acid bacteria, helps detox the body, and supports digestion. It's tangy, spicy, and packed with good microbes, perfect for a gut healing boost, especially in winter. Keffi is a fermented milk drink, thinner than yogurt, with over 30 strains of probiotics. It's especially helpful for lactose digestion, gut repair, and immunity. It's also slightly fizzy and can be used in smoothies, or just enjoyed on its own as a refreshing drink. Sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage dish is tangy, crunchy, and full of fiber and friendly bacteria. It's also rich in vitamin C. Always choose raw, unpasteurized versions to get the probiotic benefits. Add it to sandwiches, salads, or enjoy as a side dish to your meals. Kombucha is a fizzy fermented tea made with a SCOBY, tea, and sugar. The fermentation creates beneficial acids and bacteria that support digestion and detox. Start with small servings if you're new to it. It's strong stuff, but so worth the gut benefits. Try rotating different probiotic foods in your meals. The more variety you consume, the stronger and more diverse your gut microbiome becomes. Gut healing morning drink remedy. Here's a simple gut healing drink to start your morning right. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, juice of half a lemon, pinch of black pepper. Mix well and drink on an empty stomach. This boosts digestion, reduces bloating, and gently supports your gut lining. Your gut is your foundation. Healing it doesn't require a complete overhaul, just consistent, conscious choices. Add a fermented food here, a healing spice there, and sip your way to a stronger, more balanced microbiome. If you learned something new today, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a gut reset. Thanks for tuning into Vitality Waves,